Island hopping kami guys. Daming tao. Malay-lay din nilakad namin si Mata sa hotel namin. Ang layo pala ng port nila. Kaya mag-island hopping ka dito. So kami joiners kami guys. 900 per person kami. Kasi pagka private mahal-mahal. Kaya joiners na lang tayo. Yan. See you later guys. Kayo balot guys. Bitaw ko yung cellphone. See you later.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. By the way, my name is Jess. So, one of tour guide today for island hopping to. Everybody understand Tagalog?
No.
Maybe no? No. So, I hope you understand my English. Because my English today is under construction, okay? So, this is the first stop, ma'am, sir. This is the name of our area is Balinghay Beach. Yes, because today the Puka Island is not allowed going to the boat going there because the Puka is windy. So we have Veterinary Beach. Yes, ma'am. The all island hopping tour, the boat always here. Okay. So this is the first stop, Balinghay Beach. I give you a 30 minutes, ma'am, for snorkeling, there swimming, or if you take a picture as Sandcastle, there in the beach. Balinghay Beach. So we have a 30 minutes for picture taking there, this area. And then after 30 minutes, we go back to the boat. We can go to center of Boracay for a snorkeling area.
Okay.
So this one, ma'am, sir, this is provide of company. The snorkeling mask only. But if you want to go to snorkeling later, if you pay a 100 per person, this snorkeling area. Okay? Swimming or snorkeling, if you want fee later, there in 100 peso per person. So we have a both side. We have a ladder. If you can go down the ladder. And don't forget, don't sit the colorful blue bamboo. This is very important. Don't sit there. It's okay. You can hold it like this. Okay? Because if you want further, the boat is like a Titanic, right? Yes. So don't sit. This is very important, ma'am and sir.
Okay.
So I give you a 30 minutes then in snorkeling area. After snorkeling, we're going to mainland of Boracay, part of Katiklan, lunch area tayo. Yes. So everybody, you have a stop like this, right? The color blue stop. Yellow.
Yes.
Yeah. So this one, ma'am, this is for the drinks later. This there in the restaurant, the picnic area. Okay? So get your food, and if you change this one for the drinks. So after lunch, you take a picture, a hot bath kawa there in the restaurant.
Okay.
Yes, and then after that, we go back to the boat because we have a one island. This is a Crystal Cove Island.
Okay.
So a Crystal Cove Island, this is a private island. But if you wanna go in later the island, we have an entrance. Optional po siya, ma'am. Okay?
Okay.
So but if you stay in the beach, no need to pay naman po tayo. So if you stay in the beach, no need to pay. And if you wanna go inside the island, we have an entrance 300 per person. So I give you 40 to 1 hour then in Crystal Cove. And then after that, we can go back to station 3 2 o'clock or 2:30 in afternoon. Okay, ma'am, sir? Hello?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So this is very important for island hopping tour. Don't forget the name our boat. Because a lot of boat, same color but different name. Yes, always remember. Shingli number 4. No, not 1. Because we have a, listen ma'am, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay.
So always remember, Shingli number 4. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Yes, so don't forget mama, the name of our boat. This is very important. So God bless, enjoy, and thank you so much.
Shingli 4.
Shingli number 4.
Okay.
Sorry po.
Okay po.
Munti akong ubusan
Mm-hmm. guys. Kasama sa Shinuli 4.
May tricycle ka, te?
Cardo.
Teng! Tricycle, Teng! Patulad, Teng!
Tricycle na kami guys. Sa ano yan? They came from Canada. It's a little bit small for them. We're sorry. Let's have fun here. Shout out! Kuya! Babait naman. Cardo, kaway-kaway! Ay! Dito na kami guys magla-lunch. Ayan. So, oo, malakas ang alan guys kasi medyo naambon sa ibang parte ng ng Boracay. Or ayan. Ayan oh, ang laki ng alon oh. Oh, yun nga atang crocodile ay. And guys, so may mga tindahan sila dito. Yan yung kawa guys. Ayan. So mamaya akala ko pupunta pa tayo ng ibang lugar kasi akala ko malayo pa yung kawa-kawa ang sinasabi nila. Ayan. So marami palang lamisa dito. So dito na lahat ng mga nag-island hopping. Nandito na sila lahat guys. So dito pala talaga magla-lunch. Kasama din po yan sa binayaran nating 900 per person. Tayo doon? Saan tayo? Kahit saan? Okay. So we'll take our food. Thank you. Kay ate, shout out kay ate. So, patyon sana ako ni guys, kaya marami ko makakuha pagkaan guys. See you later guys. Shout out kay ate. See you later. Yan, dito naman tayo guys.